Well, the way down the under in the Hono Crest, Polynesian lady called a Sassafrass. A wiggle in her walk, a giggle in her talk, a fawn their way up and then on the quest. Well, the first time I kissed her ink a peel on her part, bells started ringing and the sky turned dark. The army and the navy couldn't keep the people calm, well, they thought it was a hydrogen bomb. Hey, yeah, so tell all the neighborhood boys I'm the one making all of them, because the little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was so. Well, the next time I kiss her in the swimming hole, I kiss her in the water, and don't you know, stain from the water rose as high as sky, and the old swimming hole went dry. And then I took her to the Polly when the moon was high, kissed her by the lights of the windward side. The moon fell down and the stars were wild, and many whom they saw with smile. Yeah, yeah, so tell all the neighborhood boys I'm the one making all of them, because the little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was Sassafrass. The story of my Polynesian girl, sweetest little thing in the whole wide world. My heart does a flutter and my mind turns to butter every time she holds my hand. Well, I'm very sorry that I gotta go now. Me and my honey gotta cook low low. We're gonna get married, gonna raise a family, gonna raise them on honey and tea. So tell her the neighborhood boys I'm the one making all of them, because a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, that honeybee was Sassafrass. So tell all the Nanakule boys I'm the one making all of them, because a little honeybee knocked the heart out of me, and that honeybee was Sassafrass. Oh!